Hi everyone. This is a bit of an involved video. This one shows you how you can integrate Google Sheets with Agent AI. So let's say I have a Google Sheet, and in this case, I have a list of subscribers. So I have their emails and the topic they're interested in. And I want to somehow be able to call this from an Agent AI agent so that I can then pull the email and topic so that I can then go do something with this, generate a newsletter, and then email them. So that's the use case I'm trying to do. And then the first part of this is how do you integrate Google Sheets with Agent AI? And so that's what I'm going to show you here. And so it starts off with you basically. Um, so I actually went to ChatGPT. So that's kind of where it starts off. And I asked it, like, how do I, you know, a step-by-step instruction on how to expose Google Sheet as a web API. And then the web API is what I need to then call from Agent AI. And so it said that you need to go create this Google app script. I have no idea how to do any of this stuff. And then I said, just kind of explain it in step by step how to go do this, right? And so this is how to use Google Apps Script to expose your Google Sheet data as a JSON API endpoint. And so you prepare your spreadsheet. So I have my spreadsheet. Then I go open the app scripts editor. So you go here, you go to extensions, you go and click on this. It opens this app script editor. And I just basically pasted whatever ChatGPT created. I then went here, followed further instructions where it said basically write the sample script. So it gave me the code. I copied and pasted this. Then it said save. I did that. Then it says deploy. I deployed it. And then I executed. So this is where it needs permissions to read the Google Sheet. So I said use my permissions, stuff like that. And then after deployment, you'll see a web app URL. And so after I deployed, I got a web app URL, which I then went and posted into. This is the web app URL that it generated. I then went and posted it into Postman, which is a tool that lets you test web app APIs. And then when I click on this, you can see it's going to go run and then come back and give me the output. And so whatever's in my Google Sheet is going to come back here. And then ChatGPT after that said, now you go test your web endpoint. I did that with Postman. Then it said use it in your agent. It told me exactly what to do. And so now we're back to Agent AI, where I am going to show you how I basically then call that. And so from Google Sheet now, I go and I basically make that call. This is the URL get, this is the content type, this is the data, and then it comes back and gives me the information. So this is kind of the video on how to uh, call a web app, convert Google Sheet into web app API, and then call that Google Sheet from Agent AI so that you can get your input. Sorry, took some time to get all those words out of my mouth. Thank you.